All right, how's it going, guys? So I'm having an awesome day of fishing today. It's a Saturday. I start off really early, and I'm in the second spot that I wanted to fish today. And I caught a good amount of fish and some pretty big ones. And I'm just fishing this creek that goes through the state park here. Like I said, and I think the video before this, if I caught enough fish in this spot, I was gonna do a separate video. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm towards the end of my fishing trip here. I got a little more battery left in my GoPro. And there's one more spot I want to try in this creek, but it's been awesome. And I may have caught my PB smallmouth, but I didn't really catch it. I snagged it in the head. I think the smallmouth probably went for it. It just missed. Then I snagged it. So can't count it, but it was massive. It was a monster creek smallmouth. Completely unexpected. It was my first fish catch in this creek right here. So it's cloudy now. There's still a lot of good time to fish. It's about noon. So I'm gonna keep going, and we'll see what happens downstream. I'm gonna try to get below these really big waterfalls over here. Hope you guys enjoy the video and stay tuned for all the creek fishing action here. All right, well, I'm not sure how to get below those big falls, but I'm going upstream here where there's leftover pieces of a dam here, I think. Looks like there's some good area right here. But I want to get down there because that's where some big fish are probably hiding out. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh my gosh, that's a huge smallmouth. I gotta get my net. That's a really big smallmouth. How is that even here? I haven't come across anything at all. Oh man, I might need to weigh this guy. Come on, buddy. Get over here. I might just land him. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Wow. Look at that. I'm not gonna weigh this guy because look how I hooked him. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Let me get this guy cleaned off at least. All right, guys. Check out that massive smallmouth. I've been going along this creek, haven't caught anything. It's been super shallow and just filled with bedrock. And then I finally got to some deeper areas. Right next to a little bit of rapids, this guy was hanging out. I mean, this could be my PB, but wow. I didn't go through the mouth. I'm not gonna count it. Look how big that is. Oh my gosh, that's freaking awesome. This guy's been through some stuff. He's got some sores. That's a huge fish. Wow. Massive creek smallmouth here. I'm gonna let him go. Holy crap. All right, there she goes, or he, I don't know. Well, I forgot to cover this, but I was using a little flicker shad here, a little 3-inch one on a little swim bait jig head. That's what I used to catch that guy. Nice. Because obviously there are some smallmouth up here now. Man, what an awesome day of fishing. I haven't seen anybody fishing. It is kind of cloudy. It's getting a little more clear now. We got a high dew point, probably a lower pressure, and we got storms in the forecast for later today. I mean, it's been awesome. We got a fish. I don't know how big. Oh, just a little guy. Hey, little rock bass. I've been catching you guys all day for that. Oh yeah, this feels decent. I knew there was gonna be a fish near those tree roots. Oh no! Lost him. There we go. Doesn't feel... That's pretty good, actually. Oh my gosh. Well... Alright, this creek doesn't have a ton of spots to fish in, but every good little hole has a fish. There's definitely more potentially in this little spot. That's really, really good. I mean, not the biggest, but... Oh my gosh, there is a fish there. Jeez, I have to cast to the smallest little holes for the hope of something being there. And this guy was right there. All right, little tiny guy, but he was hanging out right next to those plants on the bank there. There's just not a lot of big areas for these guys to hang out. At least what I've came through so far. Oh. I think we got a decent one. It's swimming towards me right now. Oh no, little guy. I think I saw this guy jumping around a lot. I'm not seeing anything down his throat, but look at this belly. This guy's eating pretty well. Just a little one, but we're catching him. All right, it's getting cloudy. It's looking a little stormy. I'm not hearing thunder yet. Probably should check out the radar here. I mean, if there's no storms coming, I'm gonna keep fishing because this is perfect weather. Wind's picking up too. Whoa, oh shoot, I am sorry. Oh, let me catch this bass first. Oh my gosh, big in. Big in. Okay, don't attack me. Wait till after I catch this bass. Big in. Oh man, please don't come off. All right. Oh, got him. Oh my gosh. He came off right at the end here. All right, you two. All right. Okay, it was pretty big. Second to that other one I got earlier, but that wasn't really a catch. So this is probably the biggest fish I've caught today. Look at that. Sorry about pounding your face into the mud. Nice fish. This is the exact hole up there is where I caught the giant one. So there must be some really good smallmouth all hanging out over here because there's just not much area to go to. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. All right, so there are the falls. I made my way down here. This looks like a pretty pressured area, so might have to change like a Helgramite or something that they don't see often. But I'm gonna keep using the swim bait for now. It was working everywhere else. The sun isn't out too hard right now. Look at, there's another fisherman over there, so we'll see how this goes. All right, there's nothing here. I'm gonna go downstream, see if there's anything down there that people don't hit as much. What is that structure right there? I wonder if there's anything hiding right behind it. There's a fish. Oh wow, look at that. We got a green sunfish. This is a good one. Holy crap. All right, another species added on the list today. Chunky little green sunfish. Look at the orange highlights on the edge of his fins. That's super cool. That feels a little bit bigger. What is this? Oh yeah, the rock bass. This creek is filled with them. Creek and the river this leads to. All right, look at this guy. Another rock bass. Man, I'm just surrounded by really good eddies over here. There's some faster moving water. There's gotta be some active fish. Right there. There we go. That should be a smallmouth. Nope. Oh, yeah. Nice sized rock bass. Man, I caught some of the biggest rock bass in my life in Ohio today. Look at this guy. Love this black stripe they got. Super cool. All right. Let's see what else is in this deep hole here. It's not even a deep hole, it's just a calm pocket. Oh yeah, that's something pretty good, unless it's just big from being in the rapids. Feels like a smallmouth. It is. Yes. All right. Got a smallmouth right in the spot downstream from the falls. Look at that. That's a beautiful one. Super red eyes. Right in that calm spot, right there where they're supposed to be. There might be another one over there, honestly. I don't usually cast downstream, but I had to in this case, just because of the entrance point. So if you're gonna cast downstream, make sure you stay in areas where you're not gonna spook the fish. And then cast into the calm pockets just like that. See if there's more. Oh yeah, I think that's a really good one. Oh, maybe not. They just fight like crazy. All right, gotta get him over here. Come on, buddy. Oh, maybe it is a little bit bigger. Oh my gosh, these guys don't stop fighting. All right, look at that. I hope that's not the same one I just got. Oh my gosh, they're really active today. This is awesome. It's all because I think of that low pressure. They know the rain's coming. Let's see if there's one more over there. Yep, there was. I don't know how big. Oh my gosh, I can't tell how big they are. They get into these rapids and then they feel huge. Come on, buddy. Almost there. Oh, okay, this one's pretty good. All right, this might be the last one today. Look at these spots right there. This looks like the exact same one I just caught. Caught like 3 of the same, maybe. All this size. What the heck is going on? All right, just caught another smallie in that tiny pocket right over there. I'm not recording everything because I'm running out of batteries here. But man, this creek's on fire today. All right, I think this might be my last smallmouth catch of the day. I'm out, totally out of batteries. I have like 3 minutes left. Look at that. Might be the last guy. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that fishing trip there. I have to say that was definitely one of my most productive days for smallmouth fishing that I've ever had. So I don't know if I mentioned it much in the video, but I actually did 2 little fishing trips on this random Saturday, and the first thing I did was fish at that little Lowhead Dam. I went to a pretty good sized creek next, and so I caught enough fish to make 2 videos out of it. So these areas are really special. I can't really reveal where I go for them because they're just pretty rare areas that I don't find too often around Cincinnati and Dayton. And I'm sure there's lots of other great spots you can go to. It also depends on the time you go to them. But yeah, I'm just super impressed with this spot. So I'm gonna probably try going all over this creek next time I come. So one other thing, I'm taking this video 2 days after that fishing trip. So for those of you that don't know, I got a fish fin stuck in my hand, and it happened in August of last year, and it's just been stuck in there. And I finally got surgery to get it out, and I had to get surgery because it was deep enough to need it, and it was apparently near a nerve of mine that gave feeling to my pinky, so it had to be done really carefully. But yeah, this is the aftermath of it. So probably shouldn't be fishing for a little while after I got this done, but you know what? I'm doing it anyways. I'm just gonna cover it up, make sure I don't put my hand in the water. Fishing grind never stops. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I had a ton of fun. Once again, go explore your local creeks because they can be super surprising, and a lot of times they can be super productive, and you'll just have a ton of fun just catching a bunch of smallmouth or whatever bass live in your creeks near where you live. All right, thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next creek.